Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, dear students. We have a new question here. Also, SAT question. Okay, this is SAT question and EAST question as well. Talk about Bell can run. So it's B here. Can run. How fast proportion or ratio? 5 quarters as Mitt. This is first part. Also, Sam is can run 6/5 of Bell as fast as Bell. To relationship between P and S, B and M. I just make abbreviation for first letter of each student here or each runner here to be clear for you. What is the question exactly? Here our question. Mid can run how many times? So he asked mid equal how many times average of both Bell and Sam. So we are now after average Bell and Sam. Okay. What is average AFE or AFG? Bell and Sam equal P plus S values or plug in as a part of proportion over 2. This is the average. And must be M and S in M. So how many P, how many M's? S, how many M's as well? And plug in here. Okay. So now we after to calculate it. We have M here now. What about S? S in terms B and B only. I need it in terms of M. So just plug in. First of all, I'm a reciprocal for both sides. 5/6 here and 5/6 here. Okay, 5/6 here and here. So should be B equal what? 6 5 5/6. I'm sorry, 5/6 here. Yes, 5/6 S. And this is first step, by the way. 5/6 S. All I need to do, plug in B instead S here. So should both P equal what? P equal, I just got it, 5/6 of S. So 5/6 of S equal to 5 quarters of M. I need just S equal who? Okay, you can make it times 6/5 again in both sides, here and here. We omitted, flip the other one. So 5/4 multiplied by 6/5 of M. Now we have S equal 6 quarter M, 3 halves, but would be better because we have all in terms of quarter here. You see, just plug in here and you will be sure about what I mean. B in terms of M is given 5/4 S. Should I make half over 2, half like here, and make parentheses here? This is the average one. He asked about it. So 5/4 or 5 quarters M. The other part here, what about it? Yes, S, 6 that I told before, quarter and quarter. M. Now we have just 11/8. Half is outside the parentheses. 11/4. This is 1/4, not 8. Till now, not 8. So we have now the average. This average, he asked about it. Average of Bell and Sam. We got the final answer now. Is half multiplied by 11/4 is 11/8. 11/8 M. So it's very clear to become like this. Answer is A. A. You can not complete. You can stop here and choose A. But how come it's a reciprocal here? Flipping. He asked about Bell. Mitt. Mitt can run how many, sorry. So should be separately M. in terms of both of these parts. So just times 11 over 8 here and 11 over 8 here. Just we got the final answer. M equal 11 eighths, the average you ask about. So answer is sorry, I flip it. I have to flip it here. I'm so sorry. I didn't flip it. Make a reciprocal. So we make times multiplicative inverse 8 over 11, 8 over 11. I'm sorry. So should be 8 over 11 one time. You don't go far here. Just stop when you see we have to flip this part. When we flip it, choose this one. Especially no other option has 8 in the numerator or denominators. All here is 1, here 9 over 11, 11 over 9. I hope it's right and inshallah understand it well. If not, I can re-explain it easier and slowly more than this method. See you next problem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.